Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. I have a swap submitted by Bridgette. Alright, this swap was submitted by Bridgette, and her mom is Marie. So thank both of you ladies for participating in this swap. If you guys want to check out Marie's Instagram account, she is M as in Marie 221 Romero, and she's a great crafter, always doing all kinds of fun swaps, so you'll probably like her content. I'm gonna go ahead and dive right in. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Oh my gosh, look at these. How fun is that? Okay. Alright, so it's, holy moly. These are like super legit, bro. Where did you get these boxes? These are so cool. Okay. Let's see, I think there's 2 packages in here. Aw, you guys sent me a little present. Thank you. Okay, so there's these 2, and let me get everything out. I'll be right back. Okay, so, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay. So there's 3 little, 3 pieces to this, I guess you would say. What is that? Oh, the ink pad. Okay, let's start with the little one, and we will see what goodies are in here. Boom. Okay. So she sent all of these goodies. Look at this. A bunch of candy. And then this really cute ornament, and they can paint it and then add a picture in the middle and hang it on the tree. That is adorable. Oh, they're gonna like this, whoever gets this. Okay, so let me put these back, and I'll open this one next. Okay, check this out. Oh, I can't. Okay, there you go. Look at how cute the cupcake is. Swap friend from Bridgette. And let's see what's inside. Look at that. Okay, so she's got the cutest little bow with the jingle bell, these pretty stars. Ooh, this one is like plastic and glittery. Oh, that is nice. And then a ticket and a gingy. Oh, the gingy's on the box. Oh, ah! Don't break it.
What happened, Mom?
Okay. That one tried to roll away. Okay, so it looks like she sent a really cute little treat in here, like a little gingerbread and cocoa. I'm not going to take it out because I don't know if I will be able to get it back in. Oh, and how cute. Look at this on the front. She made a vellum rosette, which is not the easiest. And then she put this cute little ornament, a little sticker over here, a bow. This is adorable. Great job, Bridgette. And then she has another cocoa in here for them. That is really nice. And then, let's see. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You did such a good job on this. Look how well she coordinated everything, you guys. She put this little deer on the front and this cute little bow with snowflakes. And then this is her burger box. I'm gonna see if I can just slide this, but I think I can't. So Give me just a second. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna open her up. Oh my gosh, look at all of this. She sent like this little crafting kit to make a snowman. She sent some little treats in teeny tiny envelopes. There's a burger in this burger box. What? That's so cute. And I don't know. Oh, that's the other bun. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, that's so genius. Okay, let's see. That is so, so genius. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then let me put the bow back on before I forget how it's wrapped. Alright, perfect. So then this is her fry box. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, hold on. I think I can slide this one off. So I'm just going to slide it off. And she put this gorgeous little Gingy girl. Look how cute she is. And then this adorable shaker. I love this. This is cute. I want that shaker. And then she has all kinds of goodies in here. She has some washi. She has a burger and fries. I think they're like cabochons. Some bag toppers. I'm scared I won't be able to fit all this stuff back. But it has like stars on it. Oh my gosh, those are so cute! And then this tape. And oh my gosh, look at this. She paper pieced this. Wow. That's so cool. Okay. Okay, and then she sent them this little chapstick. It has watermelon on it. Hopefully the kids don't eat it. And a marker. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, let's see. Let's try to get this back on here without messing it up. Alright. Okay, success. It's back on. Okay. And then she has, look at how cute, she sent them a little stamp. That is adorable. And then she also sent a nail set, I think it is. How fun. And she put this gingerbread cookie on the front with the tag. And she layered all of these different trims on it. That's so cute. Man. These girls are going to be out swapping us very soon. Look at this, a little Gingy in there. Okay, I'm going to put everything back in this box, and then we have one more little parcel here to open. Okay, and then last but not least, she sent this little parcel with this really cute donut ribbon. And she sent a cute little box, but it's like a gingerbread box, and they can put stuff in here. And I think these are intended to decorate your gingerbread box. So it's like you get to make a gingerbread house, but with stickers. So that's super fun. And then she sent, oh, how fun is this? She sent a magical snow globe sticker activity book. And it has over 40 puffy stickers. And it looks like it's a book, like an activity book. And it has like puzzles and games and word search. And then these puffy stickers in here that are all Christmas. That is so sweet. That is so sweet. Thank you very much, Bridgette and Marie. Whoever receives your swap is going to be super duper excited. And thank you so much for participating. And Bridgette, as always, you did an amazing job. You are a natural crafter, just like your mama. But since you're starting so early, you might actually be better than your mom one day. Don't tell your mom I said that. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me put this back on. Okay, there you are. And then, oh, and then she is so sweet that these ladies sent me a little, like, treat bag for me. I'm gonna open it up so I don't crinkle in your ear, and I'll be right back. In a blink. Okay, so, oh my gosh, so we get to look at those little charms up close. She sent some burgers, a Coke, oh my gosh, and fries. That is so cute for this swap. That's genius. And the little bear, look how cute he is. Oh my gosh, I love him so much. Thank you so much, ladies. I love him. And then, oh my gosh, these are so cute. And perfect for like a little goodie or like some sequins mix or something. These are absolutely adorable. Oh, thank you very much. And then this, oh, Thin Mint dark chocolate spoons. Oh my gosh, and there's 3 of them in here. That's so perfect because me and my 2 girls. And then she made some tiny envelopes for me. Look at this. Look at this one. I'm not going to say I enabled her to get this one, but I might have enabled her to get this one, I think. Oh, and look, it has little coffee cups. Ah, cute. Thank you so much. Look at them. That's so cute. And she layered one for me. I love this one. Look how cute, you guys. And she even put like glitter and stuff. You so fancy. And then some hot chocolate for me. I have not had any hot chocolate yet this season, so I'm really going to enjoy this. Thank you very much. And thank you for hosting this swap. Thank you, Sophia. Look at how cute. This is a beautiful tag. I love it. Oh my gosh. Bridget, you are so good. And look at these. These are so cute. I love black and white, and I love stripes, like a lot. Thank you very much. And then another little gift. Oh, wait. I have this chapstick. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum. Hopefully I don't eat it. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, how pretty is that? That's beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm gonna wear this on Christmas. Maybe I'll wear it on Christmas and my birthday. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. This is such a sweet gift. Well, thank you again, ladies. You did an amazing job. And thanks all of you who are watching. I'll see you on the next one.